So it's like that. It's oh my god. Hey everyone, so for today's look we are doing this very glossy glass skin, and we are trying out like a brand new technique. It's very different. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. So if you'd like to see how we achieved this glass dewy skin, then please keep on watching. So today we are doing Scott Barnes inspired makeup technique for the ultimate gel glow. I don't know if you guys watched Tati's video when he did her makeup. I watched it and I was super inspired and so impressed. I mean, everything he did was so unconventional and so unlike the norm. I don't know, after watching that video I wanted to do my makeup immediately. I really wanted to try those tips and tricks. So today we are trying that for the ultimate glowy glam. So I'm just watching the video and we're just gonna follow the steps that he used. So to start, he started with concealer under the eyes and just like highlighting all the areas that I would usually highlight under your eyes, chin, bridge of your nose, forehead. So we're gonna start with that. So if you guys watch this video as well, it was so shocking. He did not use a beauty blender like at all. He just used his brushes, which look amazing, by the way. So I'm not sure if I could stick to that. For today I'm using my Fenty Beauty Match Stick in the shade Caramel. This is it right here. For this one, they always recommend to warm it up on the back of your hand. The shade might be too light. I haven't used this shade much, but we might mix it with my other concealer. And he just like applied a lot, I noticed. My usual highlight areas. The Fenty Beauty Match Stick is more on the dry side and sometimes it can blend out a little patchy. So now we're taking a flat brush and we're gonna attempt to blend everything. I'm leaving my eyes for last because I really don't like blending my eyes first. So keep in mind, as he said in the video, he said that this makeup was more like for video film purposes, so it will be very carved out, and this type of makeup doesn't look the most flattering in real life. So this is like just for a video pictures, you know, so it's gonna be very heavy, very dramatic. For this because, as you all may or may not know, I like to set my eyes immediately after blending because my eyes crease like crazy. So I hope this works out for my face and stuff like that. Probably looking like a ghost right now. This is the first step, and then you want to really harshly contouring like the jaw and stuff like that, hollows of the cheeks. So I'm taking my Makeup Revolution foundation stick. This is in the shade F16. I use the shade a lot and we're gonna really contour our jaw. He used like a paintbrush, but I don't have that, so I'm taking my another clean flat brush and we're blending this down to our neck. He also went in to define her chest bones, which I'm not a fan of because mine are super defined already. This reminds me of that doing my makeup and reverse challenge. Then he started to apply foundation. He said he used the Chanel foundation on her. Of course, I don't have that. I probably look so crazy right now. I keep watching myself in the viewfinder. Went in straight on her chest with foundation. So I'm just gonna apply. I want to use like a kind of light dewy foundation. So I'm taking my Maybelline Dewy Smooth foundation. I haven't used this in such a long time, but it's really good. And he used a brush for this. I can't take it too low on my chest because I am wearing a white top. It's on my chest because my chest is lighter than my face and my neck. I'm now taking the foundation and I'm starting to apply this on my face using my same flat brush, but I'm applying it lightly.
Has to think about every situation. For film, for live performance.
At a woman's face and I'm like, okay, how to make you look perfect. You know what I mean? Like that's what.
So he applied a cream blush, which I don't have, but I can try to use a liquid lipstick and make it work. Berry tone liquid lipstick, kind of purpley-ish. I'm gonna try this. Taking my same flat brush and just blending it out and up. Right now I look very skin-like, very dewy, extremely dewy. I noticed he went back in with some of the highlights, I guess maybe because it kind of sometimes disappears with all this blending. He did not show how he blended the nose contour, so I'm just gonna do my own thing. So we are just gonna apply some powder to this very slippery face. So for highlight, he took like a highlight palette and he just used like a fan brush. His one was way more fluffy than mine, but I have a fan brush, and I'm just taking my Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlights. I think it's the most skin-like highlights I have. Applying this on. So you can see the cheeks are just glistening, but it doesn't look like too much. It looks like it's coming from within almost. I'm really loving this. Just gonna put some on my collarbone. So here we have it. This is our Scott Barnes glass skin, really glowy skin technique. He did her brows and eyeshadow and everything. I'm not doing that look. I'm doing a different look, eyeshadow look on my eyes. I'll show you a reference picture right here, but I'll just speed that up because it's mainly about the skin technique. It's very new for me, and this technique wins a lot with really kind of done eyeshadow. I don't know, glass skin just looks really good with elaborate eyeshadow. So I'm really loving this technique, and I hope you guys love it too. So I'm just gonna do my brows and eyes. I'm just gonna speed that part up. I will post a short Instagram video on the eyes as well. So these are basically the eyes all done, but I wanted to try something called soap brows. So I wet my spoolie. So I'm taking my soap bar like so, and we're just running our brush on it. I'm gonna brush our brows up. This is like a brow gel. People say it holds better than brow gel, so we'll see about that. It looks really good. Ah, it's my first time trying this whole soap brow trend. Looks really good. Whoa. Wow, this is cool. My brows look so bushy. Wow, look at that. Ooh, I like. I'm taking my lipstick from Makeup Revolution. It's called Triumph. It's a very like nude shade. I almost never do this kind of pale nude color, but I think it'll go really good with the eyes. Just applying a clear lip gel. This is from NK Makeup and has vitamin E in it. I'm taking a lip brush to apply this. So it's like that. It's oh my god. Ooh, smells so good. So my lips look wet. This is the look all done. We have pretty glass skin, very dewy and just skin-like with dramatic bold eyes. Like it's super dramatic and pretty nude wet looking lips. So this is the look all done. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and these type of videos, just trying out new techniques, new tips and tricks. I absolutely love this skin technique. I may try it again, but it's a little time consuming, so I think this technique will be really good for brides and bridal makeup. It just looks so like your skin but better, so I really love this look. It's so dewy. And yeah, that's it for the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a like, thumbs up, share, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified when I do upload my videos. I'd love to have you back, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.